Hi, this is Carl Anderson from MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through our 2019 Scout 235 XSF. This boat is equipped with the optional black hull color. We've got a nice stainless steel insert within the white rub rail. Transitioning to the aft end of the boat, we've got a nice full walk across on the swim platform, so you can easily access both swim platforms. A telescoping ladder to the starboard side, along with a new V8 300 horsepower Verado from Mercury. Now let's transition to the inside of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 235 XSS from Scout, we've got a standard bait well to the port side with cleats at recessed, flush mount rod holders, and cup holders that plumb and drain. On both the port and starboard side, beneath the gunnels, we've got rod storage and LED rope lighting beneath the gunnels that fully encompass the boat. The boat looks really sharp when lit up at night. On the aft end of the helm, you got 4 rod holders, a nice thick grab rail, 3 cup holders, and designated space for the standard igloo cooler, along with rocket launchers that are optional on the hardtop. Again, nice full walk across along the transom, easy to get from one side to the other. Raw water wash down on the starboard side, and a nice cockpit door to keep small children and dogs safely inside the boat. As we continue to transition into the cockpit, we've got a nice stern seat that, when stowed away, gives you a nice bolster when you're fishing off the aft end of the boat. But otherwise, a very comfortable and thick stern seat with a very strong and durable stainless steel framework. You've got access to your bilge area, all finished out, easy to keep clean. We've got the tea bag storage for life jackets, your throwable device, among other items, built into the hardtop. LED lighting both fore and aft. At the helm, we've got adjustable thigh-rise bolsters, both the driver and the passenger. We've got an adjustable Edson steering wheel, a standard 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin, lockable glove box storage, a Fusion stereo, trim tabs with LED indicators, and digital throttle and shift with the 300 horsepower V8 from Mercury. Fully enclosed tempered glass windshield, a nice non-skidded material to keep your devices and sunscreen from sliding around. We've also got charging ports, both 12-volt and 2 USB ports for your devices. Moving forward to the port side, we've got a large head area with a self-contained vacuum flush head with its own holding tank, along with a battery select switch. Ample amounts of storage, even with the head on board. This is what makes this boat excellent lounging area, lots of space, whether you're just using the traditional bow seating or everyone's favorite, the Chase Lounge or the Cleopatra seat that also has built-in armrests into the T-top. Beneath the seat, we've got lots of room for storage. That's also drained. These backrests remove easily, so you can really open up this space. Got cup holders and more non-skid. Nice places to keep your phones. Got finished out storage beneath both sides up in the bow. Upgraded JL audio speakers. 2 in the bow, 2 more in the cockpit. We've also got space for your anchor. Nice grab rails. The boat works really well, ergonomically, very comfortable. One of our most popular models here in Charleston. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax on Daniel Island. If you have any questions about our 235 XSS from Scout or any other boats, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com along with our Facebook page. Thank you very much.